I'm Dr. Alice Hoang. I go by Dr. Alice here at Brooklyn Mint Dental. We are a scratch startup general dentist practice in Brooklyn, New York, right by Barclays Center. We opened about 2 years ago, and F1IT was a critical aspect of our build out, and they were probably one of our favorite vendors to work with. What I've experienced as being a new small business owner myself is that word of mouth means everything. And F1IT was one of those people that I learned through word of mouth. People were pretty excited to work with them. We obviously vetted a few, but after interacting with the owner, we just learned that we had a lot of values aligned, and we just seemed to connect a lot better. Things seemed a lot more personal, and so it was pretty clear when we first met that it would make a lot of sense to work together. One of the aspects about being a new small business owner with a scratch startup is that there are just so many things on the table. It's just a conveyor belt of decisions that you have to make. And what was really amazing is that when working with F1IT, they really helped take a lot of that stress and weight off of that IT portion and really kind of took it on as their own, obviously including us throughout the process, but just knowing that there was just like one other thing that I didn't have to deal with when I was trying to focus on the growth of the business. It was just really nice to have that break. One of the major ways that we planned on standing out was by the way that we leverage technology in new ways in dentistry. I think this is one of the most exciting times to be a dentist right now, simply because we're using new applications of technology in dentistry. We can 3D print crowns and definitive restorations. We can do same-day smile designs, same-day veneers, which is not only convenient for our patients, but it's also convenient for us and quite honestly a lot of fun. And so it's just been really fun to see how all this works. However, if our scanner goes down, we are not okay for the rest of the day. And so we actually had an incident like this happen recently. We called F1IT, answered immediately. We were on the phone with them. We have a security system so they could actually see me running back and forth between room to room while our patient's in there trying to hack this. And then we realized that we could just take it out to the front. They could just watch us and guide us through the whole thing. And then we finally got the scanner going. But like that was going to be a detrimental, catastrophic setback if we couldn't get that scanner to work. In the same way that when you're a business owner, like you have to focus on things, and when you're a dentist, you have to focus on things. And one of the things I don't want to do is computers. So it's amazing to have some people at F1IT always ready and waiting, and then helping us the second that we need it, right? I'm not sure if this is the experience for all people with their IT companies, but I will say that I have been extremely happy with working with them. The way that they can take us out of those situations and make sure that we leave with happy patients allows us to leave as happy customers or clients of theirs.